Now, I got that part of it on. Woohoo! Yeah. So, now... Okay, so it works like that. So now we got that part achieved. Oh boy. Okay, now this is gonna be the hard part. I think that goes there. Let's see here. Yep. Okay, I'm missing one thing here. These. That. Because that's gonna go to the door for this. So it's gonna go like that. They make it in a very odd way here. Hold up. Okay, so that's the attachment part. Okay, because the latch has to latch into this little thingy here, has to latch into that right there. So it goes into this.